Good morning, welcome to Friday. It's the Pie Dance workout once again. Chicken Legs is back. You thought I was gone for a little bit. I'll treat you a little bit. I'll treat you this. It was the last one. It was the last one. It was the last one, but I found another one. I couldn't believe it. I went, oh, that's good. I'll do that one as a bonus segment for your YouTubings to watch for your Facebookings, if you like. On YouTube, here I am again for the bonus feature. I am the bonus feature. Bonus feature. Bonus features. I've got bonus features just for you. Yes, indeed. One more just for you. One more. And then I'm gone. 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 But maybe soon I'll be back. Maybe. But like I said, I love you guys, so you never know. I'll be back. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon for the rest of your lives or something like that. Anyway, we're going to do superhero song. I'm going to go and all that business. We're going to do James Bond, we're going to do Cowabunga, we're going to do Turtles, we're going to do Batman, we're going to do Superman. All that business. It's the superhero song. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh yeah, I forgot, didn't I? Chicken legs. Fingers in the air. You over there. Fingers in the air. Chicken legs. Press that button. Here we go. Superhero song. Here we go. It might go wrong. Who knows? Clap your hands. Here we go. 007 first. Here we go. Tarzan time. Here we go. Tough and strong. Batman time in his car. Are you ready? My name is Tarzan. It's the Teenage Mutant Purples. My name is Tarzan. Superhero, tough and strong. Superman, here we go. Buck kicks and buck. Have a kick. PBK. Brave, tough, and strong. I've got confused then. Everybody sing along. So there you go, that superhero song. The bonus feature on the YouTube is just for you on a Friday morning. Thank you very much. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Maybe one day. Once again, thank you for everything. Thank you for your support throughout this. Love you to bits. Bye. Love you.